How to retrieve deleted text message on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to retrieve or recover deleted text message on iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open Message app on your iPhone. Alright, after you open Message, you will get this type of interface. From here, to recover the deleted text message, at the top left corner, you'll have to tap on Edit. From here, you'll have to tap on Show Recently Deleted. From this section, you can easily find out all of the deleted messages from your iPhone, like it will automatically delete after 40 days. So you can, as usual, recover it from here by selecting it and tap on the option Recover just at the bottom right. Alright, tap on Recover. Okay, so this is the first method to recover messages on your iPhone, or you can also directly recover the text messages from your iCloud if you have saved any backup on your messages. For that, open up the settings on your iPhone. Alright, from here, tap on the option General. From General section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap on Erase all content and settings. And from here, tap on Continue and follow the procedure to choose Restore from iCloud Backup. And after you choose for the backup to your message for iPhone iCloud Backup, you'll be able to restore messages from your iPhone. So these are the methods. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.